Here we go.
To unbox your GT-77, you'll need a few tools, a pair of needle nose pliers, a 7/16 wrench or a crescent wrench or a pair of channel locks, and a flathead screwdriver. First step, remove the staples from the box. Use the needle nose pliers, twist one way, twist the other way, pull the staple. There are several staples. You need to pull them all before you try to open it. Once you've removed all the staples, open your box up. There's a protective piece of cardboard there. Pull that out. Set that on something that's high enough for you to be able to work on this GT when you get it out. There's a motor cover. You pull it. Set it off to the side. Okay. Stand behind your GT-77. Pull it straight up out of the box. And set it where you can work on it. Look down in the bottom of the box and you should find an instruction manual. Pull your instruction manual out and there should be directions in there to tell you how to set your GT-77 up. It's got a parts diagram. If it's not in there, you can find it online at cascomfg.com. It's KASCOMFG.com. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open your control handle. You take, that's this piece right here. You pull it around, all the way around the back. There's a nut and a bolt in there. You're going to want to attach that. You have a seat gate right here. There's a wing nut down here, you loosen that. This is your stop. You pull your stop all the way back, tighten that back up. Okay, you can now move your seat gate. Pull this handle around to where your seat gate's going to match up with that bolt. Okay, so you remove that screw, flat-headed screwdriver. Remember how this goes in, because you're going to put it back in the same way. Okay, take the wrench, and this is a lock nut, so it's going to be fairly tight, so that doesn't fall out. Down, pull this control handle back around that hole. The seat gate goes underneath the control arm. You put the flathead portion of the screw down, reattach the lock nut. Okay, now you're going to tighten that down. sure it operates. Okay, it moves back and forth just fine. That is closed. Right now I've got the stop all the way open. That would be all the way open for your seed gate. This stop is what you use to set your seed gate for the opening size. If you want 1/4 of an inch, when you have this mounted, take the lid off, look down inside, pull the seed gate open. You can stick a drill bit in there. And one of the seed gate has U-shaped holes cut in it at the end. You're going to want 1/4 of an inch to the back of that hole. You stick that drill bit in there, you'll close your seed gate on it, push the stop forward to that place, latch it down, and then your seed gate will only open that far each time. Okay, you are ready to mount it on your mounting kit. These are the 2 mounting bolts for the mounting kits. You'll remove these. Your mounting kit will either have a piece of angle that will fit on here or a flat bar with 2 holes in it in the center that'll match these 2 holes. That's what you mount that to. You'll take these bolts out, you'll mount that angle or piece of flat bar to right here, tighten them back down, and your GT will be mounted to that bar. You must make sure you have this control handle mounted first before you do that. Otherwise, you'll have to take something loose to get it back in there. Your wiring kit, the negative is already connected. The positive is already connected to the switch down here. You'll want to clip the zip ties that are holding it together. This fusible link end will have a connector on it where you can hook it to your battery. You'll undo this. You'll have one long orange wire with this fusible link on it. You'll run it directly to your battery. The negative wire will have one open end on it. You can run it directly to your battery, or you can find a grounded spot on your ATV or whatever you're mounting it on. If you have problems, it is usually the ground, and I would connect it, try it directly to the negative side of the battery if that's the case. And that's mounting your GT-77.